Hello guys, once again welcome back to the channel Rahul Automation Studio. So in my last video, I have explained about the Java, like what is Java and how what are the different advantages of the Java, what are different IDs are there, what are different features of Java, right? So I have covered about the basic concept, basic things about the Java. So in my current video, today video, I am going to tell you about how you can configure Java in your system and you can install Eclipse in your system so that you can start doing practice about the Java in your Eclipse. Or maybe if you want to write down your framework for your automation Selenium framework, so you can start doing that also. So we will do all the configuration, installing the Java and installing the Eclipse one by one. Okay, guys. Okay, so for Eclipse or IntelliJ IDE to get work, first we have to must install Java. Java means to say JDK in our machine. Okay, and we have to set the bin path also under the system variable. Okay, guys. So this is the first requirement for your Eclipse. So Eclipse is an Java IDE that we use for developing our Java code or developing our automation framework, right? So before installing the Eclipse, we have to install the Java in our system. This is the first thing. So how to install the Java in your system? So I'm going to tell you, I am going to explain you about in the Windows. Okay. And same thing you can do for your other operating system like Mac or some Linux system as well. Okay, so first of all, there are two ways that you can install the Java or JDK in your system, guys. No one will tell you that there are two ways. They will only tell you there is only one way to install the Java, right? But I am telling you about the real things that there are two ways that you can install the Java in your machine. So first is the method that you have to manually install by using the .exe file of Java. And second way is you can also download the zip package also for this JDK, and there you don't have to install it. Just you have to give the path for your folder and it will be automatically adding the Java in your machine. Okay, so there are two ways. One is with the help of a .exe file, and another one is the help of with the package. Okay, so we will see one by one and I will show you practically also in my machine how you can do. So if you will see in my machine, I don't have Java in my machine and I don't have any Eclipse also. So how you can verify that you have Java in your system or not? So just you have to write down in command prompt Java hyphen version. So if any Java is installed, it will show you about that particular Java. But if I'm entering, it is showing Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So it means I don't have Java in my machine and I'm not having any Eclipse also. So if I will search Eclipse, I'm not having such kind of Eclipse. This is showing best match, but if anything is there, I will uninstall also. So I will show you from the scratch how you can install. So just let me see control panel if it is there. I will uninstall the Eclipse. IntelliJ is fine, but I don't see any Eclipse also, guys. Okay, so Java is not there, and anyway, Eclipse will not work. So yeah, I don't see any Eclipse here also. So let's see. So what is the first way to install the Java? So first we will see manually install by .exe file, how you can do that. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and search this Java JDK download. Okay, just go to your Google. This is guys my YouTube automation channel and this is the link. This is the YouTube channel name. Please subscribe to my channel and there is multiple playlist is available which you can see that there is some catalog latest test engine interview questions, test engine playlist, locators, Selenium 35 videos are there, Selenium interview questions and answers, right? So multiple series are there. You can please go through and it will be very useful for you guys. Okay, so you have to search for this link and after this link will be available, right? So just open this link. Yeah, you can see I have mentioned the link also in the line. This link you have to open and you have to download the JDK file as per your operating system, either it is 32-bit or 62-bit. So once this page will open, right, you can see there are the latest one, that is for kit 19, it is available, right? So you have to go to the Windows as per the operating system. You have to see it is for Linux, Mac or Windows. So I will be going to install the Windows. So in Windows, just you have to go to your operating system and you can download the .exe file. Okay, so this file we have to download, right? So just click on this. Once you will click, it will start downloading it. Okay, so let it get complete and we will install it after that. So this is the first way. You have to download the .exe file, and so once it will be download, right, you have to click on install download JDK.exe file. Once you will click, and after that you have to click on the next. This command window prompt, I mean this screen will be displayed. After that, here you have to click on the next, and we'll see. Okay, so our JDK is downloaded. Just you have to open this JDK file. I have mentioned step by step in this document, guys, what you have to do. Okay, so once you will do, once click on yes, you have to click on the next button after that. So it is preparing to install the JDK in your system. You can see same window is prompting in, right? I have taken the screenshot. So just click on the next. Once you will click on the next, you can see if you want to change the Java installation folder, then click on change button and give your preferred folder location, or otherwise you can install in default display folder also. So by default, it will install in Java file program files and with this folder. If you want to change the folder location, you can click on change and you can select the location from this, right? So you can do that also. Let we will install in the default folder. So you have to click on next. So after clicking on next, it will take some time to process that. Okay, so what it will do, so after that you can see it will successfully install the JDK in your system. Okay, so it is installing, and once the status will come successfully installed, we have to click on the close button. So once Java installed, then we have to set, you can see same screenshot. So Java is installed successfully. Just click on the close button, right? So we have done till this part. Now what you have to do, guys, you have to set the environment variable. Okay. So once Java is installed, then we have to set the JDK bin path in your system variable, guys. Okay. So with latest JDK, okay, this is our latest JDK, right? 19. What will happen? This path will get automatically set in a system variable under the below path, right? You don't have to do anything, set the path in your system variable, guys. It was the earlier situation, like in the Java JDK 1.8 or something. So at that time, you have to, set the Java this path manually by going to edit variables and all. But now with the latest JDKs, you don't have to configure this path automatically. It will be taking care and it will install and it will set the variable path for you. Okay. So how you can check the environment variable? Just in the search box, search down, edit. So you will get the edit system environment variables. Once you will click on open this, and you have to click on environment variables. In environment variables, you will go to the system variables, and system variables, this path is there. Just click on edit. Once you will click on edit, you can see the first line, C program files, common files, Oracle, Java path. So this path is automatically getting set, you know once you are installing the Java JDK 19 in your system. Okay, and I will show you this path also, Oracle, Java path. This is getting generated automatically once you are installing the Java in your system. Common files, if you will see the common files and Oracle, Java, Java path. Automatically, this Java path is, if you see from outside, this is a shortcut of this Java path, and automatically it is getting created. So this path is basically referring to these files which is required for your Java. See, this Java is basically need for your execution purpose, execution of your code. This Java is the Java C is our Java compiler Java, right? So this will help you to compile your code into the bytecode. So these .exe files are already getting referred, in your edit variables automatically once you are installing the Java. Okay, so this is your one of the way. If this will, okay, this is the one of the way. Earlier we have to set this Java path. How you was setting earlier? You have to, once common files folder was not getting create, you have to go to Java JDK 19 and bin folder. You have to give this path. You have to copy this path, and you have to enter in the edit variables actually in the earlier time. But now with latest JDK you don't have to do this. Automatically it is getting set for you, and Java is ready for you once you will install it. Earlier stage we have to manually have to edit like new and edit like this. Now we don't have to do that because automatically it is setting the Java path for you till the bin folders. Okay, so just click on OK. Don't have to do anything. Now if you will check in the command prompt that Java is installed proper or not, you have to give Java space hyphen version and just click on enter. So you can see this time now it is showing Java version 19. This one is available now in your machine, right? We have not done any setting of the environment variable, right? Automatically it is setting. So this is the latest feature of latest Java, right? So always install the latest one. So you don't have to do any extra configurations now. Okay, so this is installed, right? And now we'll see with latest JDK. Now this path getting set automatically in the path. Okay, you can, I have already shown you, right? And Oracle folder will get create automatically, and JDK path will add automatically now. Okay, and also if we want to change this path to install Java bin folder, that also we can do, right? Like this I am showing C program files Java JDK 19, right? So this also you can do. Both is referring to the same .exe files, right? So that also you can do, but there is no need to do that, guys, because automatically it is setting. So why we have to do, and why we have to worry about the configurations and all, right? Okay, guys, so this is the one way that you can install the Java in your system, Java in your Windows machine. So there is another way also that you can install Java in your machine with the help of the package, right? So how you can do that? So first of all, what we will do, we will remove this Java, okay, from our system that we have just installed, right? So we will remove the Java. This is the Java. We will do the uninstall, and I will show you the second way of installing the Java in your system. Okay, so now you can see Java is removed, and in common files also, if you see, there is no Oracle folder now, right? And if we talk about the edit variables, so we'll check just edit variables. So we have to remove that path, right? Now there is no such kind of path is available in our system. So just go to environment variables, check this path. You can see automatically that path is also removed. That was setting the path, right? It is not there. And if I will go in my system and in command prompt, and if I will run the same command again, you will see that there is no Java this time, right? Okay, so Java has been removed from our system now. So installing a Java is very simple now. Just you have to install the .exe file, and automatically it will configure the when variable path also in your system now, guys. Okay. Okay, so the second way that we were talking about, that we can install with the help of a package also. So what you have to search on Google, you have to search open JDK download. in your Google, just search it and you will find this XPath for open JDK. Open this path, sorry, this link in your browser. And I have mentioned the link also, that jdk.java.net/19. So directly you can click on there and it will redirect you this folder. So you can see there is one more way is open JDK. What do you mean by open JDK? Open JDK means you don't have to install the JDK in system. Just open JDK is there. You just have to place that folder anywhere in your system and you can refer to this, right? So what you have to do to download? So download the latest version, click on latest open source JDK. You can see latest open source JDK. Just click on this and now you can see it is showing it for the different thing, right? So just let me see. Once you will do, go to this and download open JDK folder as per your operating system for 32-bit or 64 to 464-bit. Okay. Features, these are this is thing as a features. So this is about the Linux record virtual JP from Oracle Rich General. I will just open this link so that directly we will open that page for the downloads. You can see this is the there. So this is the path that you can download and you can see it is showing for different operating system which one you want to download the zip folder, right? And this is for Windows, right? And this you have to click on this zip. Once you will click on this zip, it will download the JDK, open JDK zip folder for you guys. So let's wait, download it, and we'll after that I will tell you the steps for this. So what it is saying, just you have to search, you have to go to this, open this link and download the open JDK zip folder as per your operating system, right? So you can download it for Windows, Linux or Mac and 32-bit or 64-bit. Once the download will complete for you, you have to unzip the downloaded open JDK zip folder, right? And you can put in your any desired folder. Wherever you want to put this folder, you can put it after the unzip, right? So let's wait, it is still downloading and it's almost complete. So it is in download folder, it is there. So you can install JDK in any way, either you want from .exe file or you want it from zip folder. So you can install it in any way, right? So it is still downloading. Open JDK. Actually, I have already installed also, but I want to show you from the latest, right? Let it be wait for downloading more. Otherwise, I have already downloaded actually in my software folder. So I will show you. This is the open JDK that I have downloaded. I think download is complete. So you can see this is the open JDK folder for your Windows. So what you have to do it, guys, you have to just unzip the folder. Okay, I will unzip the folder. After unzip this folder, you can place this folder anywhere in your system. If you want to place in C folder, you can place in C folder. If you want in download, anywhere you can place it. Okay, let it be in the downloads folder, or if you want to put in C folder, that also you can do. Let's put in C folder, copy it from here, put in the C folder, or you want in any other folder also in the side project and whatever in different drive, that also you can do. So after that, what you have to do, you have to give the bin path to your edit variables. So now what is the difference between .exe file and this zip folder? If you are installing with latest JDK with the .exe file, automatically it will set the environment variable path for you. But if you are going with the open JDK, so in that case, you have to manually set the edit variable path. Okay, you means to say you have to set the JDK path in your system variables manually. You have to do. Okay, so just go to environment variable, go to this system variables. In system variables, go to this path, click on edit. You have to sorry, you have to add the new path, right? So click on new and just give the bin folder path. Okay, and just click on OK. Okay, just click on one more time. Okay, so your Java is installed now. Java will work in your system. So how you can verify that? You will run the same command again, java space hyphen version. Right, we will just reopen it once and then we will run it. So you can see it is showing open JDK is there with the version of 19 your system now. Okay, so Java is installed now. So guys, there are two ways to install the Java in your machine, right? So that I have shown you the second way also with the help of a open JDK. So open JDK basically you install in such a system where you can't get the permission to install any softwares like that. It is easy for configuration wise also. So this once you will download, you have to unzip, put in the giant folder. This will not set automatically path in your system variables. So we have to set the bin path like this. We have to set the bin path. Okay. So why do we set the bin path? If there is one question that can be raised, right? So we set it so that it can be detectable from any location or path by Eclipse or IntelliJ by operating system. Otherwise, always we have to go till that bin folder and use it, right? If we are setting the system variable, so we can access it from anywhere, from any folder, okay? Right, so that's why we have to set the system variables. Okay, so once Java is getting installed, okay, in your system, what you have to do, you have to install the Eclipse in your system, right? So second part of our project will be, right, you have to install the Eclipse in your system now. So again, there are two ways that you can install the Eclipse in your system, guys. Okay, so there are two ways that you can install the Eclipse in a system. Similar way, like one is with the help of a .exe file and another one is with the help of the package. So we will go one by one. So first one is manual. We will check the exe file. So for that, first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to Google Chrome, search with Eclipse download. Okay, so you have to search with Eclipse download and it will give you the link. Open this link and what you have to do, you have to click on download. Okay, once you will click on this download, it is taking some time to redirect, so just wait for some time here. So you are going to download the .exe file basically for this. You can see you have to go to this link and after that click on the download button that I have highlighted in yellow. So that I have highlighted in the yellow and it will download the Eclipse exe file for you. Once downloaded, you have to click on that particular .exe file. Okay, this is there that you have to download this file. Just click on the download. You can see automatically it will start downloading it for you. Okay, so it is starting download .exe file for your Eclipse so that you can download. So let's wait for some time and it will download .exe file for your Eclipse. If we see our document, so in this same, once it will download, we have to open it and it will show you a similar screen of this. Select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. We have to select. So this from this list, we have to select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay. So just go to our downloads folder now, and where is that? I think it's still downloading. Okay, actually it is failed because it is blocked in the system. So okay, I have already downloaded this file actually in my system. So this is the eclipse.exe file which earlier I have downloaded. So what you have to do, you have to just open this .exe file for your Eclipse, and it will show you a list of the Eclipse that you want to install in your system. So from that list, you have to select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, let's see. Because we want Eclipse IDE for the Java codes, right? So yeah. So select this first option, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and you can see automatically also you can refer the path. Otherwise, you can give some other path, because we have open JDK in our system, so you can give the X path, give the path for your open JDK. So just give the path for this open JDK. I think, yeah, click on OK, clicks on OK. So you have to set the path for your Java before installing the Eclipse in your system, right? So that's why I'm saying Java is mandatory for your Eclipse. If you will not install Java in your system directly, you will try to install the Eclipse, automatically it will download the Java in your system also. Okay, and this is the installation folder for your Eclipse. Just click on the install, and after that it will give you one prompt, so that you have to accept the terms and conditions. So just click on accept now. Once you will click on accept now, it will start installing the Eclipse in your system. This is we are doing with the help of a .exe file, guys. This is the, I think, new thing that they have given with the help of a .exe file. So this document I have prepared just 1 or 2 days back only. This is the latest things that I am telling you in this my video. So now you can install the Eclipse in your system with the help of a .exe file as well. So let's see, it is still installing. So once it will install, then we will start. Then I will show you how you can open the Eclipse and how you can start writing the test case in that. And there are two ways to install the Eclipse. Second way also I will show you how you can do that, guys. So it is about to complete now. It will take some time to install all the packages. You can see installation is completed successfully, and just you have to click on the launch button. Once you will click on the launch button, Eclipse will open in your system. Same I have explained in my document also. We will see the document as well that I have prepared. So once you will do, you have to install JDK will populate in below path. If not coming in case of open JDK, then by select by browsing the folder and click on install. Okay, that's what we have done. After that, you have to click on accept button, right? The accept button for your terms and conditions. Once installation is complete, you have to click on launch. Okay, by selecting the Eclipse workspace and start using the Eclipse. Let's see. You can see it is asking for Eclipse workspace, right? So by default, it will create the workspace in this folder for your user profile directory. And if you want to give the Eclipse workspace to any other location also, that you can click on browse and you can give the different location also for that particular folder, right? Just click on launch. So it will open the Eclipse ID for you, and all the things setting the Java, setting the Eclipse is all is done. Just now what you have to do, you have to start creating the project and start your code writing in it. There is no need to do any other configurations, guys. This is they have made very simple it, guys. Now just you have to install the JDK automatically. Environment variable is getting set, right? You can see welcome window is opening. So what you have to do, just go to file, new Java project. Okay, so we will give some Java path only just of now. So first program. Okay, just click on finish. We will create one project. give some test. So I will just write one small program so that we will see that our code is working fine or not. Okay, so this is about the src. Just create a new class, and class name we will give program. We will include the static void main method. Just click on finish. So this class is getting create. Just I will write down one line of code, that system dot out dot println, and in this I will write down first program. So this I am just doing because I want to check everything is working fine or not. And no, we will give one package name. I will import this file in this package. Okay. Now let's try to run it. You have to run as a Java application. I want to check every configuration is working fine or not for our Java and for our Eclipse. So you can see guys, it is printing first program that we have given in our system.out.println. So it means Java is properly installed, and an Eclipse is also working fine in our system. So this is the first way that you can install Eclipse in your folder, in your project, right? So now I will show you another way also how you can do that. So what I will do, Eclipse is there, right? So I will uninstall this Eclipse now. Okay, so that I will show you. Where is that Eclipse we have installed? I'll go just outside and I will see it again. So it is not coming. Sure. Let's see one more time. I will just keep control panel, install a program, and see if Eclipse is there. I don't know why it is not displaying here, but it is there in the system now. But it is installed, right? This is Eclipse ID that I can see. This is there in our system. Okay, we will see the second way, but this is installed with the help of a .exe file. And the second way is you have to download the package, guys. You can download the zip package also. So for that, what you have to do in the same way, this was the link for your Eclipse. Just go back. So what you have to do, guys, on this particular, you have to click on the download packages. Once you will click on this download packages, it will show you a list of all the different Eclipse ID as per the operating system. So you can download Eclipse ID for Eclipse Communicator, and as per the Windows, you can click on this and it will start downloading it. Also, if you want Eclipse ID for Java developers, you can install it from here. So I have already downloaded because it is a big file of around 500 MB or 600 MB. So I have already downloaded that Eclipse Communicator in my system. So once this will be downloaded, what you have to do, guys, you have to just do the unzip of this folder, of this Eclipse folder. Okay, it will take some time because it is a big package, guys. And once it will download, you have to unzip and you have to just open it, guys. I will show you that. And once you will open, it will ask you for the workspace and just you have to open it. So unzip is done. No, it is still in progress. This is the second way of accessing the Eclipse in your system, guys. So there are two ways for the Java and there are two ways for the Eclipse as well. So you can check with any way. If one way is not working, you can alternate ways you can install in the second way as well. Okay, so that's why I have explained both ways. So if one is not working, you can use the second way to install Java or Eclipse in your system and it should be working fine. So once it is uninstalled, you can place this unzip folder in any location. After placing it at your desired location, just open the folders. You can see this Eclipse .exe file. Just click this file. You have to open it. So this time it will not ask you to install the Eclipse, okay, because this is a zip folder itself. So just you have to open it, and once you will open it, will ask you for the workspace, and workspace you can give another name here, but otherwise it will try to override. Okay, we will select the new, and if anything is there, we will select any other workspace this time. So this time we will select as a C folder itself and just click the click on launch. Okay, so we have selected different workspace so that there will be no override of the project in that, because there is one more Eclipse that we have done with the .exe file, right? So this is the second way. You can do anyone which you feel the comfortable, guys. It will take some time because this we are doing for the first time, and you can see our Eclipse ID is opened. It is showing the welcome screen. And so what you can do, just go to the file, go to the new. You can create a Java project in this. I'm doing it because I want to show you that it is working fine or not. Just give the name as a program, click on a finish. Okay, just give it we will don't create any package, and in under the src folder we will create a one package. So new package we have to create. We will give any name. Yeah, just click on finish. Under this package we will create one Java class, so we will verify that everything is working fine or not. Okay, and include the public static void main method in that, and write down system dot out dot println. Okay, and in between of that we will give first Java program. Okay, just control S, right click on this, run as a Java application. And you can see it is printing first Java program and there is no compilation or runtime error. So it means Java is properly configured in our system. Eclipse is configured very proper with the Java in our system, and you can start using it. You can start doing the Java program practice, or if you want to create automation framework, that also you can start creating it, guys. So everything is there. You don't have to do any extra configurations, and I have explained in a very smooth way that now you don't have to do any much configurations for Java or Eclipse. If you're installing Java with the help of a .exe file, now just you have to install this. You don't even have to do the path configuration in environment variables, guys. Okay, so this is all about the installing Java and Eclipse in your system, and I have explained about both different ways of installing this. And you, if one way is not working for you, you can use the second way to install that. Okay, guys, so this is about all. And so we have seen about what is Java and all, how to install the Java and Eclipse in a system, and if need any configurations, that also we have seen. So in next video we will see about the different concept of Java, like the OOPS concept, so that we will start in my next class. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please share with the friends and colleagues. Thanks to all. Bye.